Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of mucocele with multiple stones in the gallbladder and a large stone impacted in the neck of the gallbladder. The gallbladder mucocele distension, which is usually non-inflammatory, results from an outlet obstruction of the gallbladder and is commonly used by an impacted stone in the neck of the gallbladder or in the cystic duct. No single laboratory test is diagnostic of gallbladder mucocele. You can see the multiple stones seen in the whole length of the body of the gallbladder, and later in this video you will see a large stone impacted. You can see a stone impacted in the neck of the gallbladder, quite a large stone. Mucocele develops due to excessive accumulation of mucus. It may be due to an impacted stone in the gallbladder neck, most commonly, or in the cystic duct, or decreased gallbladder motility. Now again you can see this gallbladder is grossly distended, and a large stone is impacted in the neck of the gallbladder. Now as the patient is in the side on position, you can see a large stone, multiple stones in the body of the gallbladder along with thick sludge, and a large stone in the neck of the gallbladder. A grossly distended, thin-walled gallbladder measuring more than 5 cm across anteroposteriorly, an impacted stone in the infundibulum or neck of the gallbladder or in the cystic duct, and clear fluid contents, but in most of the cases the fluid may be turbid and thick and turbid, indicates a possible mucocele. As you can see in this video, the ultrasonographic Murphy sign may be positive. Ultrasound uses sound waves to produce pictures of the gallbladder and the bile ducts. It is used to identify signs of inflammation involving the gallbladder and is very good at showing gallstones. Ultrasound produces pictures of the gallbladder and bile ducts. It shows signs of the inflammation and indications that there is blockage of bile flow. Ultrasound is the most common test performed to evaluate gallbladder abnormalities. Now you can see the stone impacted in the neck of the gallbladder. Whenever the gallbladder is inflamed or swollen, it irritates the phrenic nerve. The phrenic nerve stretches from the abdomen through the chest and into the neck. Each time the patient eats a fatty meal, it aggravates the nerve and causes deferred pain in the right shoulder blade. The most common symptom of the gallbladder problem is the pain. The pain usually occurs in the mid to upper right section of the abdomen. It can be mild or intermittent, or it can be quite severe and frequent. In some cases, the pain can begin to radiate to other areas of the body, including back and chest. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.